You'll be better able to deal with disasters and other situations if you start preparing early. Many Americans are anxious about preparing for a disaster. Very few people have a financial strategy that incorporates this. It's never too early to start planning for the worst, whether it's setting up an emergency evacuation kit or starting a savings account with extra cash. Union Bank of California's financial experts have put together a list of basic tips for preparing for a natural disaster. Do an exhaustive inventory of your home. Prepare a list of valuables in your home and locate the originals of important documents from the past that you may have lost. Original documents should be stored in a safe deposit box or evacuation box, while copies should be retained elsewhere. To keep vital computer files safe, place them on CD. Keep a copy with a relative or acquaintance who doesn't reside nearby if you can. Learn more about your insurance policy if you have insurance. Be sure you know what losses are covered. In the event of a flood, earthquake, or other major disaster, your insurance agent or financial planner should be able to assist you. Your insurance policies should be kept in a safe place with your other important paperwork. It's time to get the cash flowing. It's a good idea to keep at least $300 on hand in case of an emergency evacuation. Make things easier by dividing the money into small sums. Make a contact list in case of an emergency. It is imperative that you keep a list of important emergency contacts on hand at all times. This list should include immediate family members and friends as well as medical professionals. The 1-800 number on your credit card can let you quickly access your account information. It's essential to have a savings account in case of an emergency. To be on the safe side, it's a good idea to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living costs in savings. In the wake of recent natural disasters, Union Bank Executive Vice President Ronald Kendrick has learned the importance of financial readiness. Adhere to these rules to ensure that you and your loved ones are financially secure.